Today we are making apricot nut squares. Let's do this.
Oh yeah, mate! Woo! Welcome to Aussie Girl Can Cook. Better get you some. Oh yeah! Mate, it's lucky she can cook. Wow!
G'day lovelies, welcome back. I thought I'd keep to the same theme this week. So this is another high school recipe. First thing we want to do is preheat our ovens at 180 degrees Celsius. We need roughly an 18 by 28 centimetre lamington tin lined with baking paper. I will write the recipe below the video in the description as always. Now into a medium bowl we need to sift 3/4 of a cup of plain flour, 1/4 of a cup of self-raising flour. Sift them through, and now we need to add 1 tablespoon of caster sugar and mix it up. Now we need to add 90 grams of butter. So we just get the butter and we just squeeze it into the flour. Now we need to separate 1 egg. We need to keep the egg white for our topping. And we need to put the egg yolk into our mixture. Now we want to mix it up until we can get it to a firm dough. So basically push down with the back of the spoon and keep doing it. We'll just squeeze it together with our hands now and get it into a lump. Now we want to get our tin. And we want to just press it all over it now. Spread it out a little bit to start with and then just start going for it. Alright, once we've pushed it out all over, we can get the back of the spoon and just go around and press it all down. And then you can manipulate the dough a little bit just to flatten it out and try and get it even all over. Once we've got it lovely and smooth, we're now going to bang her in the oven. Now for the topping. Into a bowl we need 1 1/4 cups of unsalted roasted peanuts, 1/3 of a cup of desiccated coconut, 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder, 1/3 of a cup of caster sugar. Mix them through. Now we want to get our egg white and we want to mix that through really well. Just mix it up a bit. Now we need to get 1/3 of a cup of jam ready. Oh, I love apricot jam. Now we're all ready to go. We're just waiting on our base. When we do take the base out, we leave the oven on because it's going back in. Exactly 10 minutes later, we want to pull it out. Okay, first thing we want to do is spread the jam all over it. And we want to do this nice and gently. As it starts to heat it up, it will start getting easier. Once we've covered our base, we now want to put our topping on. So I'll just do it in little bits. Once we've got it all in there, just grab a fork and just sort of spread it all out and see if you can cover the top. Once we've done that, we now want to bang her back in the oven. 23 minutes later in my plain electric oven. Oh, it smells good in here. Oh, yeah, boy. So we want to cook it until the top is set. So you can see how the top is reasonably dry. All those bits you can see bubbling are the apricot. So depending on your oven, look at 20 minutes. If it looks like this, take it out. If it still looks a bit wet all over, give it that few extra minutes. Now we have to painfully leave it sit in the tin until it's completely cold at room temperature. Mate, she's nice and cold now. Hell yeah. You can cut it however big or small you like. I like cutting small squares. Oh my god, mate. I hope you can see that. Well, there you have it, lovelies. Apricot nut squares. Absolutely moreish. Give them a crack. Your whole family is going to love them if you let them. Store them in an airtight container at room temperature or cover well in Glad wrap. Thank you so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome weekend. I'll see you all next week. Toodles.